Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing, and we love nothing more than racing our toy cars. Are we allowed to call them toy cars?
No, because we get told off. People
Precision motorsport.
Precision motorsport.
No, that's the wrong one. What is it? Miniature precision motorsport.
No, I don't care what it is, but it's good, ain't it? But you know what I'm looking forward to?
Go on then.
More than anything, I'm seeing that great big orange thing in the sky getting a bit bigger and a bit hotter and a bit warmer. Summer.
I thought it was yellow.
Depends what time of the morning you get up. If you get up, if you're an early bird like me, it tends to be orange.
Whereas for me, it's almost white. I can't even look at it sometimes. Burns my eyeballs.
Don't look
But
at
yeah, the sun. Summer.
We're looking forward to the summer because if you don't know already, we get our little pop-along track out in the summer and we spend evening after evening after evening trying out, testing cars and things. And actually this year it's going to be good because we'll have that track set up pre-revival so we can our two-wheel drive cars that we're going to use.
And the four-wheel drive ones.
And I thought we can test them
on
all
the
out
grass track.
Because it's going to be grass or Oswestry. But
maybe we could do like a little invitational. Invite a couple of people, because can't have a lot of people there. No. We'd get a few people down though, couldn't we?
You know what we could do? We could do a little competition, and whoever wins could come along and have a go on the old...
Come along or pop along?
Did I say come along?
You said come along, it just sounds a bit wrong, doesn't it?
So bad. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean that. Pop
a little competition, and whoever wins the competition could pop along to our grassroots track, maybe have a go on some of our cars.
Why not?
And if they ain't done it before, we get some cars out and they can have a little lesson.
That's right.
Lessoning how to drive. Yeah. Slow is fast and all that jazz. But you know what?
What?
Apart from that, I'm also looking forward to getting over to Hearts because they've got a summer series, and I think they do vintage at their summer series, so we're going to get to run that.
Double up, mate. We're going to double up if they let us, because it's probably going to get busy.
Yeah.
So.
But also, this thing. This is a 1/8 buggy. Now, they have got a 1/8 track over there, so what I want to do, not during a competition, but practice day, I want to take this around a big track to see how a ready-to-run 1/8 buggy gets on the track.
That is the Corrali Spark XB6. It's made for 6S, but we've only ever run them on 4 because that's the sweet spot.
It's the sweet spot.
And we've got one each, and we... great first. That's one of... What?
I haven't told you this.
What?
I've got something in the front room that I need to share with you.
It's not your wife, is it?
No.
Okay.
You don't want that. This is a 6S.
Okay.
And we were talking about 4S's before, weren't we?
Okay, we were.
I've got something for you. Let's clear some space.
Okay.
Let's clear some space. Oh, you're going to like this one, boss. Ready? I'm going to try doing my magic trick.
Do your magic trick. You ain't done your magic trick for a while, have you?
No, I ain't.
Go on, magic.
You ready for this?
Do your magic.
Ready?
Oh, you did it.
That is a big box.
You never let me down with your... You know your magic?
Yeah.
Can it make things bigger?
No, I've tried. The wife was very disappointed.
Right, okay. Well,
I'll tell you what, this is a bit big, isn't it?
Right, do your magic again. Magic it out of the box.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Look at that. That's a stunner, that is.
That is an absolute hench beast, that is. That looks... Do you know what that says to me?
What does it say?
I don't know. But it looks good, doesn't it?
It does look good. Let's just have a little roll that back. Listen to those gears.
That.
Scale-wise, how does it compare?
Well...
I think that's bigger than that one.
Yeah, it's bigger. I mean, the wheels are bigger for sure, right? And it's got a wheelie bar on it, so I reckon that's going to pop the old The old nose is going to go up somewhat there, but this is now it's heavy. I'm not looking, but then again, that's heavy, which means it's strong, doesn't it? Yeah,
It is. I'll tell you what. Let's have a little look underneath the shell on that.
I like that. I like these things that keep the clips on there.
And also, you got the old skid plates on the roof.
The old skid plates on the roof. They're good. The skid plates.
So I've got a 7225 in this one, and you've got a 7225 in there. Servo wise, they've got the same servo.
Same servo.
What motor have I got? I've got an 825 in this.
We've got the 725 in this because bigger wheels in it.
And that's 4S and this is 6S.
Exactly. Bigger
Which
wheels,
tells me that
wheels.
I've got a bigger ESC than you.
It is a bigger ESC in that one.
So I've got the Torex. Torex 185.
Okay, we've got the old, I don't know, but it's smaller. And we've got the old, we've got expensive shocks on this one. We've got slightly cheaper ones on this one.
Yeah, so these ones look like they're plastic, whereas these ones are definitely alley.
Yeah, we've got a centre diff on it. Yeah, got a centre diff on it. Got a centre diff on that one as well. Price wise, this is more expensive, but it's a bigger car at the end of the day, isn't it? Like more powerful.
But we've also got
what?
Not just the Sparks. We've got the Synchro.
Yeah, we've got the Synchro,
which is the 4S version.
We've got them all, haven't we?
Which would have probably made more sense to put the Synchro up against that, really, because they're both 4S.
Yeah.
But where's the fun in that? So, looking at this, we've got quite a small metal brace on the top deck. That's got a pretty chunky setup on there. It looks good. I'll tell you what, flick it over. Let me have a look at that chassis. I just realised you haven't seen that yet, have you? Look at that.
Look at that.
It's got the shiny gold stuff in it. That's from Basher Skins, that is.
Look at that.
They do a range of skins for the rally cars.
I've got one, but I ain't put it on yet.
Have you not put it on?
No.
Oh, I've done a video on how to put this on, so you might want to watch it, because...
What, how to stick a sticker on a car?
It's not that. It's not
unbelievable.
Basically, right? If you start at this end, by the time you get to that end, they'll be all in the wrong place.
I know that. I'm
so
a
what
genius,
you do
man.
is you take a slip out the middle. You line up the middle ones, and then when you come out either side, perfect.
To be fair, I would have got that wrong.
Yeah,
so,
that's what I thought. That's why actually you're quite special like that. But I'll tell you what, does that chassis look the same as this chassis, or is it slightly different size and scale?
The front's different here because you've got this here, and then you've got.
But I think it's just got a bigger brace on it.
Yeah.
I think the chassis might actually be the same. I've got an idea of what I want to do with that.
He ain't going anywhere for the moment because we need to wait for the weather. It's hammering it down.
It's raining.
It's cold. It's rubbish. And,
Like today, I wanted to go out and play with the cars, absolutely chucking it down. So instead, me and the boy started prepping a new shell for his race car.
That'd be good. When we going racing?
Tomorrow.
Good.
You've got an LMP car, you're racing it?
I am racing my LMP car. Waffling.
We need to get out. I need to race this over at Hearts. I need to get my buggies out. But I think I want to take this somewhere like the Car Killer and just...
Oh, you'll break it there. Don't take it there.
It won't break.
They don't call it... Everything breaks there. Even that stupid helicopter we had broke there.
No, it flew away.
Oh, well, it flew away, then it broke. Anyway.
Like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and hopefully we'll see you trackside soon.